Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5065426. Because of this error code, that is 0x800-70003, we couldn't install this update. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. First step is to run sfc and dism command. For this, type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app, and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you open this as an administrator, click on yes to allow, and then copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command and paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Now once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can try to update and then check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. Now for this, type in services in Windows search box, click on services and find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now find Windows Update, scroll down, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. With this selected, make a right click, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. And again make a right click and then click on restart. Once this is done, try to update it once again. Still not working. The next step is to pause and restart the update. Now for this, you can go to Windows Update. Now over here you will see pause option. So hit pause, and once it is paused, now you can click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. So it will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, write down the name of the update, that is KB5065426, and then click on search. Now over here, first of all, check what kind of system you have. So type in WINVER, WinVer, in Windows search box, and then click on WinVer over here. And over here you can see my version is 24H2. So check your version and then open Windows settings and then go to system and then scroll down, go to about option. In my case, the system type is 64-bit. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 24H2 x64 based system. Now if you have version 25H2, that like Windows 11 version 25H2 x64, then this is the right one for you and this is the right one for me. Click on download and then click on 5065426 update, and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and you can install this update manually. Just click on it and follow the on-screen instruction to install it manually, and then once done, restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, and then go to advanced option over here, and here you can see recovery option. Click on recovery, and then here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files, and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. Now this process will take some time, and once this is complete, again you can try to update your Windows 11 and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now scroll down. Over here you can see media creation tool, download now, and then you can run this exe file. Now once you run this exe file, once the download is complete, click on accept over here, and then by default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, save, and let the download complete. This process will take some time, and once done, click on finish and let this close automatically, and then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, run the setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next over here, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so click on install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.